और साथ में डर भी लगा था कि इतना ज़्यादा एआई आते जा रहा तो फिर सीए लोगों का क्या होगा। बट एनीवेज, हमको अगर हम कंधे से कंधे मिला के चलेंगे, एआई को अडॉप्ट करेंगे तो हमेशा आगे रहेंगे। और इतने शानदार सेशन के बाद अभी कुछ देर पहले सुरेश प्रभु जी का मैसेज आया कि मेरा एक मैसेज डिलीवर होना चाहिए, तो प्लीज प्ले द मैसेज ऑफ सुरेश प्रभु।
My dear friends, my dear friends and my dear colleagues, my dear fellow chartered accountants, it's a proud moment for us that the largest ever conference is taking place in Kolkata, organized by Eastern India Regional Council, led by a very dynamic chairman, my dear friend Tulsian, C.A. Tulsian, who is doing a wonderful job leading this regional council, taking initiative to organize this conference, 50th of such conference, so it's very golden jubilee one, and doing it in such a magnificent manner. The attendees are largest in number, participation is huge, outcome in terms of intellectual ideas is absolutely invaluable, and therefore I want to congratulate the chairman C.A. Tulsian for doing this. And I was about to attend this conference, but I am traveling, I am outside the country, and therefore I thought at least I will send you this message of congratulations as well as of regrets of my own of inability to attend and also benefit from it. Peace is the most important part as created by the nature. Sun also rises in the east. The sunrise that comes after the sunrise radiates the world, creates a new feeling of a new beginning. And that's why when the sun has risen, today in Kolkata, in terms of new beginning or new dawn for a profession, I am sure this will be the beginning of a new golden era, in not only for a profession but for the country. I am sure the thoughts and the ideas generated here will reverberate to the country and make policy makers take note of them to make sure that we make policies in response to such brilliant ideas. I wish you all the success. Today it's going to be the last day, but you will do well in terms of taking it forward, because I always believe that valedictory functions are the beginning function for the new ideas that have come up to this conference to take them forward. So all the best to you. Looking forward to working with you. Kolkata is my most favorite city, honestly. It's a city of joy, but for me, it's a city that I have a special place in my own heart. And we'll all work together. My dear friend, Mr. Tulsian, keep doing such good work. You already given a present recently to the ICI in form of C.A. Ranjit Agarwal, who did an amazing job in 1 year. So that shows the kind of talent that lies in Kolkata, in Eastern region, in West Bengal. All the best to you, my friends, and we'll continue to work together. Thank you very much.
और अब सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट, किसी भी सेशन का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट, जिसमें अगर सेशन बहुत अच्छा हो तो थोड़ा दुख लगता है और अदरवाइज खुशी मिलती है, दैट इज फॉर्मल वोट ऑफ थैंक्स. आई रिक्वेस्ट श्री केशव प्रसाद सर फॉर फॉर्मल वोट ऑफ थैंक्स.
Good afternoon, everyone. If you ask me what is AI to me, so I've just received a call on 11:15 a.m. Sir, you need to give vote of thanks for the session at 11:30 a.m. If it's not AI era, I would have been to Howrah railway station. The reason behind the same is, I am from a city, Sumit Gnani sir was talking about, small city, retailership client city, and I am a student from Saraswati Sishu Vidya Mandir, who is a basically Hindi medium school, and I didn't knew how to draft. Because of ChatGPT, I am able to draft and I am here in front of you and able to speak in front of you people. Coming to vote of thanks, before going to Sumit Binani sir, I must congratulate Vishnu Sultian sir and the whole team who is involved in this planning since last 2 months. And the reason behind such a practical session in a conference. I've been to number of conferences, but I've never seen the delegates are standing and listening the delegations for couple of hours. This is tremendous work. A great round of applause for all the people who are involved. Ma'am, sorry if I have pardoned someone's name. I don't know personally everyone over here, but everyone who's involved in this AI and the crowd, the person who are making this event more successful. So a great round of applause for all the members who are attending this and so disciplined way. And particularly to the attendants who are not of Gen Z, above 40. I can see the crowd, the maximum crowd is above 40 years. This is tremendous that the AI conference has been attended by ages people, the maximum age people. So this is something that we have seen in this Calcutta conference. Thankful and to coming to the Sumit Binani sir. Thank you so much. You came some time and find some time for your busy schedule for us. Thank you.